G'day folks, Tracy Sheen, the Digital Guide here with another tech tip. Today we are talking about utilising your large language model of choice to run a complete audit on your website. Whether you're interested in how you're ranking for Google, whether you want to be found by the AI search engines now, it's really important to know how your business is stacking up online. So here we are in my Claude, and what I've done is given it a role. Be really specific. The more detail you give it, the better the response is going to be. It is going to take a while because we're asking it to go deep. We're asking it for an audit. Look at the detail that this has given me. So it's given me the breakdown, the big 3 issues. Let's take a look. You can see now, this is a 11-page summary of my website, and it's going to save me a bucket load of time, money, and energy. And I can re-upload this and say, awesome, give me a strategy and help me work through this section by section, and you can focus on what you want. Super important that we do check in with our website and make sure that we can be found by the right people. I'll see you on another tech tip. Good luck. Let me know how you go.